What's up, viewers, subscribers, and agents alike? This your boy Enlightened Luciferian Prince coming at you once again. Coming at you once again. Yeah. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Everybody's okay. Everybody's focused on their own goal, so to speak. You're still maintaining, you're still hanging. However, if you're watching this video around children, I ask you to remove them from your immediate vicinity because the videos obviously are not for children, even in my video description for YouTube purposes. Just saying. Now that they're out the way, let's get to it. This is talking about the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, 1692 through 1694. Now, I know a lot of people are like, well, what's that? Sit down and enjoy the class, okay? Fair Debt Collection Practices Act are consumer laws that are put in place to basically help you and ensure that you are not robbed of your ignorance of a contract in which any entity which you to enter into, whether it be a mortgage, whether it be a car loan, whether it be any loan, to be point blank, period, and honest with you, they're stealing from you. Now, how do you get it back? It's a tort, injury, a claim, a complaint of sorts, which is what we boil it down to the words of what we call a lawsuit. A lawsuit is basically saying, hey, yo, I see some things that I don't like, and I would like some answers. Now, they can contest all they want, but contract law states that particularly no contract without full disclosure cannot be enforceable. You can't enforce anything that I don't know about in its totality. A lot of people, they feel like, they are being misled. You're not. You're being misled because your conscientiousness about what you know about contracts is something different. But, the system tries to rob you all the time. At every angle. They rob you of your fucking labor, which you get a wage for. They rob you of your ability to live in a house, which you can contest. They rob you of your ability to have a functional lifestyle, which comes in many forms of anything that you ever had. This is all the things that they do. Okay? Y'all people need to start taking y'all motherfucking power back, if y'all even have any. And I try to tell people all the time, man, it's like, what the fuck do you want them to do? They're not doing anything but taking from you. They're robbing y'all of y'all life essence. They're robbing y'all. I recently just had a car loan. I'm going to federal court. I stayed up all night typing this shit. Y'all need to understand who the real creditor is. But no, some of y'all are just going to sit back and just, violation of under color of law. Creditor disclosure statement. What bills do you have to pay? crazy. I love it when people are like, I got bills to pay. Keep paying them. Keep paying them. Please do. Please do. Please keep paying them for your sake. This is for people who want independence in themselves and freedom. But I'm going to federal court by the time early next year. And here is my actual draft that I actually drafted up. I can't put it on camera because it's my personal information on it. That's a fucking fact. Y'all keep sitting here succumbing to things that people tell y'all, and it's really not what you think it is. Keep believing that bullshit. Keep on. You'll find out. You don't owe nobody nothing. They're asking you to supplement them for reasons that you don't know nothing about. That's what they're doing. Straight. They're asking you to tell you need to make a payment. For what? Something that's already paid for. It's already paid for. So why do I need to pay somebody for something that's already paid for? Doesn't make sense. Does it? Bismillah. Think about it for a second. They're telling you need to make a payment for something that's already paid for. That's commercial fraud. Because in all honesty, who gave you authority? Who gave you authority to say that I obligate myself to pay you anything? Yet, my wife isn't here. She's at work. Not outside. But yeah, she can attest to this. I speak this publicly. She'll tell you, I don't play around with these people. Commercial fraud is the real thing, people. Start taking y'all rental companies to court. Start taking y'all child support situations to court. They want to put the court on you, put the court on them. See, court comes from ancient custom, where it basically means, court means bank, but they converted it into an ideology of ideas of, trying to basically monetize cases. But court, according to ancient tradition, was about laying everything out in the open, nothing in secret. Nothing in secret. Which is why you had 2 to 3 witnesses testify. Get it? It's no law that is outside of the law of the Most High. If 2 or 3 people say the same thing, what you'd expect? It's not a concert. It's the truth. It's true. If 2 or 3 people say the same thing, it's true. But like I said, I'm headed to federal court. Mine. Mm-hmm. And I will win. I will win. I put the ups on that. Put the ups on that shit. I will win. Now, mind you, I'm going up against a bank. Entire bank. And I'm going pro se. No lawyer, no nothing. Nothing. Mm-hmm. I ain't no game. See, it's a lot of people on YouTube that talk about this guru community. Ain't no fucking guru. I don't even know who half these people are. They mention. I'm just me. I'm just myself. I tell you what though, they can't fuck with me. At all. They keep telling y'all buy this program for me, do this, do that. They ain't doing it, they got them, so. If they can't show you the facts, don't waste your time. I say this because what have they shown you? Nothing. It's easy for anybody to put a couple Black's Law Dictionary definitions up there and so forth. It's easy. But have you done it in person? Here's my work right here. Like I said, it's backwards because it has my personal information on it. I spent a whole night typing this up and submitted it. And we'll go to court when it goes down. Yes, man. Yes, sir. I did that. That's no PDF. Mm-mm. I know how to type briefs. I know how to do a legal document. For real, professional. I wish my wife was here. She'll tell you. I get it in. Commercial fraud is real. It's real. But I keep you tuned for what comes later. We address it for what it is. That's where addressed. So I'm getting ready to take a whole bank into federal court myself. By myself. I guarantee you I'll win. I bet. I bet. Call y'all corporate offices about certain things. If they hang up or try to hang up, their point is to defraud you. Secured Party Creditors, stand up. Be you. Be the best you can be. I'll tell you what. You'll find out. It's not as hard as you think. But I keep y'all posted on when I go ahead and slay these bitches. And yes, jury trial is requested. Y'all stay tuned. Peace, light, love. Take care.